profitable for the factory. Fuel and power, the additional fuel and power if we consume in the factory, then the amount will be come here. Wages and salary, same we are paying to the labor, wages to the labor, but there are some more persons like supervisor of factory, manager of production department, so we will pay them the salaries. So the term we are using here, wages and salary. Octroi means if we are importing means some goods we are purchasing from the other states, so octroi will be charged in the transportation, that is the direct expense, just because this is related to the manufacturing units. Factory rent and taxes, factory rent and taxes means if we are taken the factory area on rent, then we have to pay the rent for the factory. Excise duty means if we are importing some goods from other countries, so the excise duty will be charged. Now leave this portion and firstly understand that portion of the account. See, in credit side we have first term is buy sales. Sales means what we are producing. If we are selling that product in the market, the amount we will get in against the product, that amount will consider as the sales. Same as we have done an adjustment for purchase return here, we will adjust the amount of sales return. That means we have sold some amount of goods and some customers do not like that, or there are some mistakes in the product, they will return our product to return the product to our company. So that term is considered as the sales return, and the sales amount written in the inner column. After that the adjustment of sales return is here, and the final amount will be written in the outer column. Now second term is closing stock. Closing stock means on the date of 31st March, end of the year, the value of stock is considered as the closing stock. Now understand this portion of the trading account. Here I have written profit and loss account or to gross profit. Here I have written to by profit and loss account or by gross loss. These are the same term. I can write here by profit and loss account, or I can write here the gross loss. First of all, understand the meaning of gross profit or gross loss. See, after putting these all terms, these all amounts, what we do, we will total this portion. Now suppose the total of this column is 10 lakh rupees without this profit loss. If here 10 lakh rupees is here, that means there is some difference between the income portion and the expenses portion. If expense portion is more than income portion, that means if debit portion is less than the credit portion, that means we are in a profit. For example, the total of this column is 10 lakh and all the expenses are for 8 lakh rupees. So the difference between these two columns is rupees 2 lakh. That means we are earning the profit of 2 lakh and the amount we will put here. And after that the total will be equal for the both sides. If we are in the profit position, then there will be no loss. If we are in the loss position, that there will be no profits. In both, only one term will come in this account, and this profit is called as gross profit, or we can say the profit at the level of production.